Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Officially here, let's head into it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is the successor to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, an Android-based foldable smartphone developed by Samsung Electronics for its Samsung Galaxy Z series. It was unveiled alongside the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, Galaxy Buds Live, and Galaxy Watch 3 on August 5, 2020. On September 1, Samsung released pricing and availability information. Unlike the original Fold, which had an entirely plastic screen, the Z Flip screen is protected by 30mm or 0.0012 inches thick ultra-thin glass with a plastic layer manufactured by Samsung with Scott AG materials. Traditional Gorilla Glass is used for the black panels, which have an aluminum frame. The hinge mechanism, which uses nylon fibers to keep dust out, is also taken from the Z Flip. The volume rocker is located above the power button, which is embedded in the frame and doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The device is available in two colors, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Black, as well as the Thom Browne limited edition model. When ordering the phone from Samsung's website, users in certain regions can customize the hinge color. The front cover of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has two screens. Both displays support HDR10+, and the internal display, like the S20 series and Note 20 Ultra, has an adaptive refresh rate. The 512GB version is by far the most scarce, with availability varying by country. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus is used across the board in the Z Fold 2. It has two batteries split between the two halves, giving it a slightly higher capacity, and it supports fast charging via USB-C. The Z Fold 2 has 5 cameras, 3 rear-facing camera lenses, a nice front-facing camera on the cover, and another nice front-facing camera on the inside screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 will come preloaded with Android 10 and Samsung's One UI software, which allows up to 3 supported apps to be displayed on screen at once, thanks to an imported multi-window mode. When the user unfolds the device, apps open on the smaller screen can expand into the larger, tablet-oriented layouts. Supported apps will now have a split-screen view with a sidebar and main app pane by default. Split-screen functionality, dubbed Flex Mode, is new to the Z Fold 2, and it works with apps like YouTube and Google Duo, as well as native Samsung apps. Also, make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section.
This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. This is a 2-in-1 foldable device made by Samsung.
Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I've already mentioned how much I'm looking forward to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 a few times, including how I believe it will be the phone that finally convinces me to give up single screen phones and keep me from switching to the Apple iPhone 13. That's because I've been following the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3's development, as well as its leaks and rumors, as I've been very impressed with what I've heard so far. This is expected to be the phone that not only introduces a game-changing hybrid user interface that works equally well in tablet and phone mode, but also succeeds the Galaxy Note series. With the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 ruled out, the Z Fold 3 would need stylus support to truly compete with the Galaxy Note.
So Samsung definitely has a lot of devices coming, and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 are gonna sit right at the top.
That is exactly what has just been confirmed in an official FCC certification filing for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 in news that is music to my ears. The FCC documents confirm the Z Fold 3 will indeed come with the S Pen support, according to Tom's Guide, and also state that the device will offer 9 watts, key wireless, and reverse wireless charging. Wireless charging is convenient, but the real price here is confirmation that the Z Fold 3 will work with the S Pen digital stylus. This means it will function similarly to a Galaxy Note, but without the limitations of a single screen device. On a large 7.5-inch tablet screen, Z Fold 3 owners will be able to take notes, illustrate, mark up documents, and yes, even play Football Manager.
The main inner display is actually going to be smaller than the predecessor, coming in at 7.5 inches.
Even better, because the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra now supports the S Pen digital stylus, people can get a single screen and folding screen note experience, despite the fact that there isn't a new Note this year. This appears to me as the most natural development in the history of smartphones. The Galaxy Note series has been Samsung's technical leader for years, as well as the professional and creative's most obvious premium smartphone choice, thanks to support for the S Pen digital stylus. While no official confirmation of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 specifications has been made, all rumors point to having a flagship, Note-grade spec, including a Snapdragon 888 processor, up to 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage space. When you add in S Pen stylus support, you've got not only the best folding phone in the world, but also the next generation Galaxy Note experience that I and many others have been waiting for. Let's hope the adaptive UI leak is as accurate as the S Pen support leak, because if it is, my bank account will be drained so quickly on Galaxy Z Fold 3 launch day that my bank manager will pass out. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3? Are you excited for it to come? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.